Do you have a laptop or a cell phone? What if I told you we have found new ways for you to earn money just by spending an extra couple of minutes on any of these devices each day? Keep watching and I'll show you exactly how you can do it. The next couple of minutes will show you just how easy it is for you to make $30 a day for a minute's work. You have an extra 2 minutes to spare, you can make $60. You have 5 minutes of free time? Let's make you $150. You can even make $300 or more. There really is no limit to how much you can make. Everything depends on you. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make up to $30 just by completing the simplest tasks. I'm gonna be talking about 2 platforms that you can use for free, are available worldwide, and that pay out immediately. Convenient, available, and absolutely reliable. Make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video to know bonus tips to make money online faster. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. For our first platform, have you ever heard of a website called Earnably.com? This is a website that's available in most countries that allows you to earn instant rewards online. Now, as I have said, Earnably is available in most countries. However, there are some smaller countries that are blocked from accessing the website. If you happen to belong to one of these blocked countries, however, don't worry because I can walk you through ways where you can bypass this blockage. But before we get into that, I'd love to hear your thoughts on websites that provide easy, hassle-free ways to earn money online. Have you ever tried your luck on any such websites? If you have, please let us know in the comments section below. Also, if you're enjoying today's video and you find this topic interesting, give us a like and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell to make sure you get updates every time we upload more videos on money-making tips. Now, let's go back to the video. As I've said earlier, Earnably is blocked in some countries outside the US. If you happen to belong to one of these blocked countries, however, don't worry because I'm gonna show you a way where you can still gain access to it. What you're gonna do is to download a VPN provider. Personally, I would recommend downloading Proton VPN as it's easy to use and it's 100% free and downloadable. But you can use other VPN providers, of course. The choice is really up to you. Whatever VPN provider is easily available in your country should do. Once you've gained access to Earnably.com, you're gonna find this portion of the platform that details the rewards you can get for their offers. It helps to know that Earnably runs on a point system and that these points can then be converted to actual money. You earn points by watching videos, answering surveys, and other tasks. But pro tip, watching videos give you the most points per task, so I would advise you to focus on this instead. You have to make sure, however, that you watch each video to the very end and that you don't skip any part of it. On the website, you'll find this part that shows you how many points you can earn from each task. For example, some 5-minute videos are worth 20 points, other 5-minute videos are worth 58 points, and some are worth as much as 202 points. Pick which video you want, click on it, watch it, finish it, and earn your points. Every 1,000 points you accumulate is worth $1. It's that easy. You just watch a video and you automatically earn points for it. The beauty of this is that you don't even have to actually watch it. You can be working on something else while doing it. You can be driving, taking care of your kids, making a meal, cleaning your house, and just leave the video playing in the background, and in 5 minutes, you'd have already earned points to go to your account. It's that simple. Like I said, you can redeem your points for instant cash, which can be deposited via PayPal or directly into your bank account. Or you can choose to convert these into gift cards from your favorite brands and retailers. It's really up to you. How do you like the video so far? You can tell us by leaving a comment on the comment section below. We love hearing from and interacting with you guys, and we'll do our best to reply to each one of your comments. But for now, let's go back to the video. So you've heard about Earnably.com. Now let me tell you about Sproutgigs.com. This is a platform that offers you the chance to get paid for completing simple tasks. These tasks can range from website promotions to t-shirt printings, and the amount you can earn from them ranges from 50 cents to $100. It all really depends on which task you choose to complete. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way you can earn from this website. After signing up, you can log into your account and start your task search. My tip is to click on the micro jobs button, and here you'll find tasks that require you to simply like videos. Choose these tasks, like as many videos as you can, but make sure you submit proof that you've actually completed the task, like submitting screenshots or whatever proof the job specifies. The reason a lot of people fail to earn from this website is because they fail to show proof of completed tasks, so don't forget to do that. Now, these tasks individually don't make much, maybe around 50 cents per task, but if you do a lot of them, the amount does add up, and over time, you'll realize you've actually earned a lot. So just keep doing as many tasks as possible. Do you find this video helpful? If you do, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. We're working on more money-making tips we'd love to share with you, but there's one more platform I'd like to tell you about, so let's go back to the video. Lastly, we are gonna talk about Streetbees. This fledgling app is quickly gaining a great reputation all over the world. It's an app that you can easily download on Google Apps or on the app market. It's free, easy to use, and available wherever you are. If you check on the reviews available on Google Apps, you'll find that Streetbees is a legitimate app with a 4-star rating and many positive reviews from its users. It allows you to earn actual money by doing the simplest tasks. All you have to do is download the app into your mobile phone, create an account by signing up, don't forget to add your PayPal account, select a story, respond to the questions, and then get paid. Easy, right? Streetbees pay you to respond to stories. You are given chat-style questions for every story you select, and all you have to do is answer these questions in as much detail as you can. You can answer by simply replying with words, or if you want, you can even attach videos or pictures whenever possible. There is no right or wrong answer, no complicated formats to follow, even the pictures are simple. These pictures can be of your food, your clothes, a tree that's near you. It can be about anything, really. And you have the choice to reply with as much or as little detail as you want. All it takes is a few minutes a day for you to earn extra money. How simple is that? And there you have it! 3 very easy ways to earn extra money in just a couple of minutes. I hope you found this video to be helpful and that you'll give these tips a try. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future content. Also, let us know what you'd like to talk about in our future videos by leaving your suggestions in our comment section below. Good luck, and see you in our next video.